Hello dear Virgo, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Before we begin our reading, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel. Do share my videos too. Thank you so much for doing that, Virgos. And let's begin our reading for the month of December 2020. That is going to be the last month now. Finally we are going to pass this 2020. So yeah, and I'm really expecting something really good happening in the coming year for all of us. So Virgo, yes, and I'm seeing that something really good is already started happening with you now. Okay, you are going through some dual conflict. You are going through some. You are not able to make some decision properly with respect to your career, with respect to your work or profession or business. So this is more likely on the career front, I'm telling you. On the profession side, so there are something which you are not able to decide either to take up this or take up that, or you are not able to justify these two tasks. Something like that is happening with you presently, dear Virgo, or very soon this will start also, if it has not started yet. So in that case, I would say, Virgo, so you have to no you have to listen to your inner voice, which is Virgos are actually very calm. No, they are intuitive person also. So yeah, this is the time. Here you have the power. This month you will have the power. You will have the courage to overcome this situation. Probably I am sensing that you are been going through this already from the past month, from the month of November, or couple of months, possibly few Virgos, maybe like that, or maybe this month, maybe few couple from past few weeks you are dealing with this situation, with a conflict, or no you are dealing, you're not able to justify these things either to go for this or to that, and you're not no you are not able to decide on this properly. You feel no yeah, actually y- uh, no, the decision making is not happening here. So this is the month where you will get an opportunity to make this decision. Yeah, so this is the month I am seeing that some big decisions are happening from your side also, and also the environment, also the prospects are coming to you a way that you see the situations are like that. You will be taking some the big decisions, very positive decisions actually happening in your on your career side, Virgo, and yeah, which is going to give you stability. Financial stability is what is coming this month, with these kind of decisions happening in your on your career side, Virgos. So yeah, and this financial stability is going to last for a longer time, not just smaller, not just for a short period. What I'm telling you is these decisions, these life changing events that are coming your way will give you this, will increase your legacy also, and will able to give you good career growth, good scope to perform. Yeah, and this is all these will add to financial growth and financial stability. So the kind of plans that you're going to make with respect to your finances, that way you are I'm seeing that yes, the investment, this is in fact the right time for investments also. So all these things will add up for a good career. All these things will give you a financial benefit also, financial gain also, dear Virgos. So all in all, this is a really good month. Sorry, this is really a good month when it comes to your career side. Let me see your love side or financial, sorry, a love side or emotional and family side also. And here we have high priest in your family, and on your emotional life, and which says that you have to listen to your intuition. You need to have your patience, make decisions not just because someone is asking you to do it, not just because this you find, yes, this is performing good in the market, so I should be opting for this, or not just based on someone else interpretation, but have your own interpretation here. So even when it comes to your love life, you need to have some patience here, because definitely the things will improve. The things, if you are not in a relationship, then yes, in few days, in a month, or in the coming period, you will definitely have someone in your life again. And excuse me for this bad throat. Yeah. um, so you need to be a little clear when it comes to, if you're already in a relationship also, you need to be little clear about what you are actually seeking, how what type of relationship you are actually seeking. If you are looking for some romantic bonding, if you are looking for some emotional bonding, so you also have to be clear and behave in that way, not just simply give some confused signals to the other person. So this is what the high priest here is directing us, dear Virgos. And yes, it is also saying that there is a justice card here, and which is asking you to stand up for yourself, stand up for your beliefs, do what you think is right. So you all have to take that, whatever you think that you are right. So this is again directing to your intuition. So listen to your inner voice and make decisions accordingly when it comes to your emotional life also, or in the love, or in the career front also. So this month you have, before making any decision, just make a habit, or no, just make a note that yes, you are going to ask yourself first before making any decision. Yeah, so this is important here, Virgo. And then we have two of water, a relationship that continues to grow closer. So this card is directing me very clearly that yes, with these kind of approach, so definitely there will be a relationship coming your way, and growth in your present relationships also again. So positive resolution of a conflict, if you there is any existing conflict, yes, with these kind of approaches there are possibilities of these conflicts, that will get resolved. So I'm seeing, yeah, that's a really good thing, Virgo. Yeah, the cards are much positive. In fact, you are getting really good opportunities, both on the love side and on the career side, right? So I have the energy card again here, that is the thinking man. Yeah, so this is actually a good news for single Virgos. If you are single, that too a female Virgo. I'm sorry, single female Virgos. Yes, there are chances of someone coming in your life here, dear Virgos, dear female single Virgos. There are chances of someone coming in your life, and at the same time, for those who are already engaged, or for someone, or for all the Virgos in general, I would say that there is someone, the potential person, okay, someone who has the capability of handling things properly, or someone with a higher vision. Yeah, so this kind of person, you will get to know someone of this kind of person, and you will also be receiving guidance from this person. All that you have to do is you have to open yourself. You should be a recipient and be ready to understand, be ready to the guidance that is to receive the guidance that is coming your way. So someone like this is coming, and yes, there are prospects of no high prospects of no, what should I say, yeah, business relationships, growth in business relationships also. So like, high business prospects, higher business prospects are what opening up this person, from this person in your life this month. So this person will play something very important role, Virgo, for you this time, this month. So let's see, let me know in the comments, yeah, what happened, what exactly you felt, or what exactly you're going through. I would like to listen, hear from you, Virgo. Okay, and I have your the guidance from the angels again. The card is a very perfect card for you, Virgos. Yeah, time to go. The sun sets and rises each day, and it's the same with the avenues in your life. See the beauty within each sunset in your life, and know that the sun will also rise again tomorrow. Endings are merely the start of a new beginning, and we are with you through each phase and cycle. So here is the time for you to go with these kind of positive cards this time in the reading, which are opening up for some higher prospects for you. For your career, which is giving you the stability in your career and your finance, and at the same time in your relationships also. So with this thing, there is a message from the angel that says that this is the time for you to go, this is the time for you to perform actually. Yeah, see the beauty in each and every sunset, and just don't give up, and here you are about to shine, Virgos. Such a lovely message, such an on-spot message from angels. I always wonder how angels really sense this. No, what is required for us this moment. So this is the such a sweet and such an on-spot message from the angels for you. Okay, so with this I wind up my reading for this month, dear Virgo. I see you again next coming year. Till then, I request you all, do take care of yourself, and yeah, bye bye, take care.